On December 10, 1998, during the Space Shuttle Endeavour's STS-88 mission, cameras captured something drifting high above Earth. A dark, angular object rotated silently in orbit. At first glance, it looked like debris, but the sharp edges, shadows, and the way it caught sunlight, nothing seemed accidental. Look closely at this image. Notice the form, the precision, the sense it was deliberately constructed rather than torn or lost. NASA claimed it was a thermal blanket lost during a spacewalk. Yet in this clip, the object tumbles rigidly, maintaining a consistent shape no fabric could hold. Its rotation is steady, almost mechanical, as if built to survive the void of space. The silhouette cuts through darkness, daring observers to question what it is. The Black Knight satellite legend stretches back over a century. In 1899, Nikola Tesla reported strange, repeating radio signals originating from beyond Earth. He believed they were intelligent messages, not meant for humanity, impossible to ignore. Flip through his notes. The patterns he recorded are precise, consistent, and remain unexplained even today. By the 1920s, amateur radio operators began picking up similar signals, bursts, echoes, sequences that didn't match any known source. Over decades, these signals persisted, always hinting at a silent observer orbiting our planet, invisible yet present, watching quietly from above. In the 1950s, radar operators in the US and Soviet Union detected unknown objects before satellites were widespread. Newspapers reported dark satellites and unknown moons silently passing overhead. Here's a 1954 clipping. Even officials could not explain what they were tracking. The story seems to thread across borders, decades, and technology, leaving a pattern of mystery. Photographs from STS-88 reveal the jagged object in polar orbit. Angular ridges catch sunlight, creating stark contrasts of light and shadow that give the object an engineered, purposeful appearance. Compare it to footage of lost insulation. The blanket is bright, flimsy, drifting unpredictably. The Black Knight is dark, rigid, symmetrical, and its movement deliberate. Notice the difference. It's impossible to mistake the two once you look carefully. The object orbits in a polar trajectory, passing over every part of Earth. This is not random. It is strategic, observational, and unrelenting. Amateur astronomers occasionally catch fleeting glimpses. Here's a telescope image, a dark shape drifting steadily against the stars. Its motion is unlike a satellite or meteor. The Black Knight links to historical radar anomalies. During the Cold War, mysterious objects appeared on early tracking systems, moving at speeds and trajectories that did not match any known technology. Observe these charts. Orbit and timing align with modern sightings. Even the NASA blanket explanation doesn't fit. Lost insulation drifts unpredictably. The Black Knight remains dark, rigid, steady. Side-by-side images highlight the difference clearly. Some theorists speculate it is a probe from an extraterrestrial civilization, silently observing Earth. Others argue it is a relic from an advanced culture predating humanity, an eternal sentinel watching our development. Consider this conceptual rendering. The angular design mirrors shuttle photos, suggesting durability, purpose, and intention beyond human construction. Cultural connections deepen the mystery. Across centuries, humans depicted watchers in the sky, guardians, observers, beings of unknown origin. Even today, the orbit continues. Amateur astronomers capture glimpses. Radio enthusiasts hear structured bursts, as if it is communicating, observing, waiting. Tesla's signals, Cold War anomalies, shuttle images, amateur captures combined, they form a consistent, undeniable pattern. Why has it been ignored by mainstream science? What is it observing? Does it have a purpose, or is it simply a relic drifting silently above us? One thing is clear: the night sky is not empty. Somewhere above, the black night watches, silent, patient, eternal, unseen, always present. Notice this final shuttle close up. Edges, shadows, and contours suggest intentional design. It is not debris. It is a sentinel circling our world, a reminder that Earth may never have been alone. Watch closely, listen carefully, and consider: what else could have been observing us all along?